अरे दुकाना का पहिल्यांदा
रिसाउंडिंग विन फॉर यू.
तुम्ही आज जिंकल्या इथले मतांनी
राव राव राव
तो किती मतांनी तुम्ही जिंकल्यात कुठल्या आणि दुसरी पार्टी
म्हाका पयली सुवातेर म्हजे कुडचड्या वयल्या लोकांचेर जो म्हजेर विश्वास दवरला हांव तेंचे मनांतल्यान आभारी आसा. इतले म्हजेर अप्रचार केले, इतले म्हजेर पर्सनल अप्रचार केले, प्लस म्हजे व्यक्तीगत रुपाचे अप्रचार केलो ऑपोजिशनांनी. म्हाका दिसता कुडचड्या असले इलेक्शन जावंकूच ना, पूण लोकांनी एकदां विश्वास दवरलेलो म्हजेर आनी म्हाका 9088 लिडांनी लीड दिली. हेजेर म्हाका दिसता कुडचड्याचे हांव लोकांचे आशिर्वादाचेर सारको मनांतल्यान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
Many big leaders have fallen in the BJP. Would you now look at leading the party at a time when it seems to be in crisis? Many senior ministers have lost. Would you lead the party at this moment?
That is for my party to decide. I don't know, but if given the opportunity, I will love to, because I love to work for the people of Goa as I have worked for the people of Kuchare, and if given a responsibility, I will do anything for the people of Goa.
It's a massive anti-BJP wave despite your win. How do you look at it? Do you think the government faltered somewhere?
No, I don't blame the government. The government has worked for the people. It is the individual MLAs who have lost PR with the people. That is why they have lost. If I have also worked for the people and people have voted me in with a thumping majority more than last time, this shows that the love and affection of BJP is there. It is not that it is not there. But the people who have fallen around surrounding me, it is the public relation they never kept. Once being an MLA, you should be an MLA. You should always be with the people. And म्हाका दिसता that I have done, and people have respected it, and they have voted me again. I don't blame my other colleagues, but I think BJP party has done a lot for the people of Goa. But खंय तरी म्हाका दिसता individual elements have forgotten that they are MLAs and they thought they were kings.
How will you introspect your win? How will you introspect BJP's loss? And what is the way forward from here? Would you get the independents together, the other parties to try to form a government? What is your role from here onwards, Nilesh Kambli?
I don't know. Whatever low role is entrusted to me by the people, by my party, I will do. As far as the role by my Kuchone constituency they have given me, I will work more sincerely आणि मोगान आणि तेच उमेदीन आणि फुडली 5 वर्सां हांव काम करता.
Mining is one big issue, mining bypass. How will you look at these problems?
No, all these problems will be solved in the next 5 years. Hopefully, if everything goes well.
Mr. Nilesh, if BJP forms the government, you will claim for a minister work?
No. See, I have always made my thing very clear. In BJP party, nobody claims anything. If the party decides to give me something, I will take. Nobody can stop me working in my constituency आणि माझ्या कुचड्या खातीर हांव काम करपाक आणि म्हज्या कुचड्या खातीर हांव झगडटलो. पूण मिनिस्टर आनी कितें जावपाक तें झगडपाचें म्हाजी हें ना. पूण म्हज्या कुचड्या खातीर जी कामां करपाक जाय, म्हज्या कुचड्या खातीर जे जॉबाची अपेक्षा हांव आनी कितेंच आसा, कुचड्या खातीर हांव झगडून इवन आय विल गो टू